Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson XP-5200. Now this is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel you can find on the front here. Now unlike some printers on the market, you need to actually indicate to the printer that you want to replace the ink cartridges. You can't just open the lid or scanner bed of the printer and have it realise. And if you do, the ink cartridges will stay on the right here, obscured by this bit of plastic that stops you getting to the clips on there. You must never ever force this across or try and change ink cartridges with the printer off, as you're only going to cause yourself problems and confuse the printer. So, back at the screen, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, just press the home button to be taken here. Now, we're going to move ourselves along using the arrow buttons until we get to maintenance, represented by this symbol. So we press OK to go into that. Then we'll navigate down till we get to ink cartridge replacement. Press OK to go into that. Next, start. And we give the printer a minute and it'll move those ink cartridges into that correct position for us. We're going to need to lift the lid of the printer. So we need to go below the scanner, which we do using the recessed slot on the left and the right here, just like an inch or so down from the top. We just lift that up, and once it gets to a certain point, it'll make a noise and then hold its own weight. And as you can see, the ink cartridges have moved themselves across to the correct position. So to get the cartridge out, press down on the clip at the back, and we just lift it out. Now, I've got no problem with this ink cartridge at all, so I'm just going to pop the same one back in. Presuming you have a brand new ink cartridge, you're going to want to make sure any protective packaging has been removed, so like a polythene bag, or there'll quite often be like a pull tab on Epson originals, compatibles and remanufactured ones, which you want to pull off. It's there on the original. Make sure that's been removed. You don't need to worry about the film on the bottom. As you can see, my printer has pierced that as it's gone in. So don't worry about removing that, it can end up with ink spilling into the printer, which we obviously want to avoid. So just take your new cartridge, pop it into the slot, just press down till you hear a click, which means that little lever at the back is snapped into position, and repeat for any other ink cartridges that need replacing. With that done, we're safe to close the lid of the printer and head back to the screen. And we indicate to the printer that we're done just by pressing OK, and then it'll take a look at the cartridges. Now if you're using compatible or remanufactured ink cartridges, you might need to indicate to the printer that you're aware of that and you want to carry on using them, an issue that's not there with the originals. But it shouldn't be anything more devious than just pressing OK and carrying on. If there's a genuine problem with the ink cartridges, your printer won't be shy in telling you. And when you return to this screen, you know the cartridges have been accepted. Now I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.